Hello and salam everyone, I'm back and today we'll make some basil pesto that you can use in lots of different dishes like salads or like this mushroom pasta here. The first thing you'll need is obviously your basil. I'm grabbing some from my garden. You can buy some from the shops, but you'll need about 50 grams of basil, so pick as much as you've got. Now that I've got my basil washed and ready to go, we can get started. So in a food processor, put in about 50 grams or 2 handfuls of basil, and then you'll need twice as much of baby spinach. You can use just basil or just spinach as well for that matter, but I like having a combination of both so it's not too strong and also has plenty of flavor. So that's 50 grams of basil, 100 grams of spinach, and I'm also putting half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then in total I've put about 5 tablespoons of olive oil. If you end up putting this in the fridge, this will help preserve it for longer, and also it helps mix it all up and the taste is great. Then I'm putting in about 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. You can use bottled ones, I just prefer fresh. And typically I'll just squeeze in my lemon juice and eyeball it, but for the sake of this video I'm struggling to measure it a little bit here. Anyway, then we'll use a 1/4 cup of pine nuts and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And then I've got walnuts as well, that's 1/3 of a cup. So in grams, the amount of pine nuts and walnuts is actually the exact same, so 30 grams each, but I'll have all the exact ingredients in the description. So just mix all of that and make it into a nice paste. Scrape the sides of your food processor if you need to, and then mix it again. And I had actually forgotten to put in my garlic earlier, so put 2 cloves of garlic and mix it into a nice thick paste. And that's it guys, that's all done, and you can use this in so many different recipes. My favorite way to use this is obviously in some creamy pasta with chicken and mushroom, or just mushroom if I'm not eating meat that day. And yes, I've recorded the recipe for it, which will go up next. Here's a little sneak peek of it. It's my favorite pasta and I'm sure you guys will like it as well. So stay tuned for that. Until next video, bye!